Hey, if you want to turn off your AirPods Pro second generation, so it's actually quite simple, but there's like 2 or even 3 methods how you can do this if the first one is not working. So first of all, you will have to input left one and the right one inside your charging case. And now, as you can see, we are still connected, but when we close the case, they should actually turn off automatically. So we can go back from this one, and now as you can see, we are not connected anymore. Take a look. No, that's the Apple Watch, there's the AirPods, yeah. And as you can see, we are simply disconnected. But if it is not working, then you can simply take them out of this charging case, like this, open the settings of your AirPods Pro, now scroll all the way down, and simply you have to select to disconnect. There we go. And now put them back into the charging case. And of course, you will have to close this case. So that will be all. This is the only method to turn them off. Thanks for watching, and right now please subscribe.